Para maiwasan natin ang mga ganitong paglabag sa batas at makaiwas tayo na ma-impound ang ating sasakyan, kailangan natin ng driver's license. Pero bago tayo makakuha ng driver's license, kailangan natin ng student permit. Sa video ito ay alamin natin ang qualification, requirements, step-by-step process, and estimated gastos. Kailangan ito ng lahat ng gustong magkaroon ng professional o non-professional driver's license. Ang student permit ay nagbibigay otoridad sa may hawak nito na magmaneho ng sasakyan sa ilalim ng supervision ng may validing professional o non-professional driver's license. May bisa lamang ito ng 1 taon na hindi maaaring amindahan o i-renew. Punta na po tayo sa mga qualifications. You must be a Filipino applicant who is at least 16 years old. Dapat daw ay physically and mentally fit po tayo. At dapat daw ay nakakapagbasa po tayo at nakakapagsulat ng English at saka Filipino. At dapat daw ay wala tayong traffic violation. At dapat daw complete ang ating theoretical driving course. And last, if you are non-Filipino applicant, you must be at least 18 years old, have resident in the Philippines for at least 1 month, and intend to stay in the country for at least 6 months. At ngayon ay pumunta na po tayo sa mga requirements. Accomplish application for permits and license form or APL. Kailangan po nating fill upan ang application for permits and license APL form. Medical certificate, original copy and photocopy. Original copy and photocopy of any of the following: PSA birth certificate, Philippine identification card, passport for foreigner, local civil registry birth record. In areas where there is no PSA branch, PSA marriage certificate if married woman. 1 government issued ID containing your photo and signature. Tax identification card if employed. Certificate of completion of the 15 hours theoretical driving course, original copy and photocopy. If you're below 18 years old, a consent of authorization letter from your parent or the person in charge of your custody, care, or supervision, together with the original copy and photocopy of the valid government issued ID of the letter's signatory. At kapag okay niya at nakumpleto nyo na ang inyong mga requirements, pwede na kayong pumunta sa LTO branch na pinakamalapit sa inyong lugar para magpa-process ng inyong student permit. At paalala lang po, bawal po sa dress code ay bawal po sa lalaki ang nakasando, naka-short at naka-chinelas. Gayon din po sa mga babae, bawal din po ang nakasando, naka-short at naka-chinelas. At ngayon, pumunta na po tayo sa estimated nating mga gastos. Sa medical certificate, 500 pesos. Application fee, 100. Student driver's permit fee, 150. Computer fee, 68. TDC, 1,000. total is 1,818. So mga idol, hindi pa kasama nito ang ating kain. So magdala po kayo ng extra money para hindi po kayo mabitin at pabalik-balik sa LTO office. At dito po nagtatapos ang ating video tutorial about sa qualification, requirement, step-by-step process, estimated gastos sa pagkuha ng student permit. Kung may natutunan, please subscribe and pakiclick ang notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa mga ganitong related content na ginagawa natin. See you in the next one.